I turned $400 into $2,400 with one stock option swing trade. Here's how I did it. So I alerted this trade in our Discord, and if you guys didn't know, you can join a free week of our premium buy and sell alerts with the first link in the description. So go ahead and join if you're interested. But yeah, I made this trade on December 1st, 2022 at 9:49 a.m. I bought a Bank of America $35 put with an expiration of 12/16 at 36 cents per contract, which basically means $36 for one contract. And I did this because Bank of America had an ex-dividend date coming up, so I knew a lot of people were going to be buying up Bank of America just so they could get the dividend, and then they were going to sell off. This is something that often happens with dividend stocks. A lot of people buy up right before the dividend comes out, they collect the dividend, and then they sell. Now, it doesn't even work that well. I don't know why a lot of people do it, but it's a thing people do. So I decided to alert on it, and as you can see here, we can see that I bought my first 10 contracts at $360 right when the dividend date happened, and then I decided to buy the put when it came down from about $37 when people were buying it right before the ex-dividend date, and then people started to sell off. But I figured this would continue, because if we take a little zoom out on the chart, we hadn't been this low for a while, so I figured we broke supports. So I bought 10 contracts at $360. I held on for a few days. This was planned to be a swing trade, and I was going to layer out of my buying or selling my contracts. So we can see here that it did take a pretty big dip right here, and I was up, but I didn't want to, sell yet. It was only about 30% in gains, and I figured I could get a lot more. And as we can see, it started to take a bigger dive down. The RSI was going down, the MACD was trending down, and I sold my first 3 contracts for $165 profit. This was probably a bit premature, but I was trying to get my gains off the board, because as you can see here, I sold on December 5th, 2022. So about 5 days later on Friday, I sold my first 3 contracts for 152%. So I made $165 profit. And I believe that was about $800 for those three contracts. So I made over 150% for those. The next day, we saw another big dive down, and then I saw that we were up about, I believe, 479%. So I sold my next 3 contracts here on December 6th. I believe that was actually Friday. I'm honestly not too sure. And then I saw a bit of a green candle here, and I was a bit scared, so I wanted to take my 400% profits, and I sold my contracts for about $518 in profit. 3 contracts for $518 profit. So I was pretty happy with this. Yet I was still holding on to 4 contracts. I figured, hey, I've already more than paid for the original investment. I might as well just leave a few in there. So I left them. That was December 6th. We kept on trading throughout the week. And then eventually on December 16th, here you can look, a few days later, I took profits on the rest of my positions here. It was a little bit away, so I got to scroll a bit. But yeah, on December 16th, I took profits on Tesla, and then I also took profits on all of these plays. This was one of my best weeks I've ever had trading. Had 900%, 500%, all these 150% gainers, so well over 1,000% in gains. But Bank of America, I finally sold on December 16th, and you can see here I sold 4 contracts for $1,296 profit. Now, where did that leave us for the week? Total profit, I had about $1,976 in total profit from $360 original investment, and leaving me with about $2,339 just for these 10 contracts. And these 10 contracts only cost me $300. I literally made it into $2,400, and we do this every day on our Discord. If you guys are interested, we definitely can help you out, and we are putting out these banger alerts every single day. Today there is actually a holiday, but the day you see this video, we should be trading live in this Discord. So if you guys want to join, you can join with the first link in the description. But yeah, that's how I turned $400 into $2,400 with just one play and 10 contracts. Literally, it was one of the easiest trades I've ever made, and there was no risk. It was always up. And yeah, hopefully we can get another one like this week. Join our Discord if you guys want to try to get in on one of those. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.